Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be talking about the top 5 investments you can do in 2022. Now, for each investment I'll be talking about in this video, I'll be telling you the risk involved, I'll be telling you the advantages, the disadvantages, and how much you can possibly make from these investments in 2022. So I advise that you watch this video to the end and listen to these 5 investments I'm going to be talking about so you can pick the suitable one for you and so you can know which investment to do in 2022. Now, before I continue, if you're new to my channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now, last year, 2021, we saw a lot of stocks go up by 500% profit, 100% profit, 1000% profit, and even some cryptocurrencies went up by 1000% profit, and some even went up by 10,000% profit. Now, I'm very sure that at the beginning of 2021, a lot of people didn't know that these stocks or these cryptocurrencies would have gone up by that amount of profit. And a lot of people that are even saying, this is the coin or this is the crypto or this is the stock that will go up by 1000% profit or times 100 in 2022. Most of them are just speculating. To me, most of them are just speculating. Nobody is sure of the coin or the crypto or the stock that will go up by 1000% profit or times 100 of your money in 2022. But there are some investments, some decent investment that you can still make and you are sure of making decent amount of profit on your money. Now, I'll be sharing this investment in this video. Now, be sure that these are not investments that will make you times 1000% profit, times 100 of your money, or maybe times 10,000% profit on your money. No, these are decent investments you can make, and they have been proven to work every year. So if you invest your money in this investment, you are sure of making decent amount of profit on your money. The first investment you can make for 2022 is to invest in REIT. Now, in case you don't know what a REIT is a real estate investment trust. Now, a REIT is a company that manages, finances, owns, and operates a real estate. Nowadays, a lot of people want to invest in real estate and they don't have that huge amount of money to own a real estate. Now, that is why we have REIT. Now, a REIT can allow you to invest in real estate with little amount of money every month or every week or every year, and you still get paid dividend. Now, it's just like you investing in real estate and then you don't have to bother yourself about the management or the maintenance of the building. Now, how do you invest in real estate? You can invest in real estate with the Trove Investment app. I'll put the link to register on the app in the description of this video. Now, if you use my link to register, you'll be getting 5 shares of GT Bank or Dagote Sugar for free. Now, when you register with my link on the Trove Investment app and you go to the All Assets section, you will see different rates that you can invest in. Now, for me, my favorite rate that I'm investing in is ARR, Armor Residential Rate. Now, if you're interested in investing in that, you also find it in the Trove Investment app, and they've been paying decent dividend every month. They pay their dividend every month, so I get dividend from them every month. So you can invest in the rate and don't have to bother about the maintenance of the building, the management of the building, but you can be getting paid your dividend and also get returns on your money. So that's the first investment you can do for 2022. The second investment you can do for 2022 is to invest in a high interest savings account. Now, a savings account is a type of account where you put your money and then you get interest on your money. Now, if you want to put your money in a savings account, I won't advise you to use the bank. And this is because you're going to be getting low interest on your money, very low interest on your money. Now, if you want to put your money in a high savings interest account, I will advise that you use PiggyVest or Carrywise or even OPay. I'll put the link to register to this website or these apps in the description of this video. Now, when you register on these apps or this website, you have the advantage of getting between 10 to 20% interest on your money every year, which is a decent amount of profit on your money. Now, investing your money in a high interest savings account can help you build up your savings, can serve as an emergency fund, and can protect your money from inflation. So if you're interested in putting your money in a high interest savings account, you should consider using PiggyVest or Carrywise or even OPay. And don't be bothered, these companies are registered and are regulated by the Central Bank of Nigeria. The third type of investment you can make for 2022 is to invest in stocks. Now, investing in the stock market is a very good way of building wealth for yourself in the future. Now, investing in the stock market means you are buying shares from different companies and selling at a later time for profit. Now, there are so many key benefits of investing in the stock market. Number one, it keeps your money from inflation, it helps you diversify your investment, and it also helps you create a source of passive income for yourself and so many other benefits. Now, some years ago, it wasn't easy to invest in the stock market all by yourself, but nowadays you can invest in the stock market, in Nigerian stock market, and even the US stock market with the help of your phone, because there are so many apps out there that can help you invest in the stock market. But the one I'm using is the Trove Investment app. In case you don't know, the Trove Investment app is an app that allows you to invest in the Nigerian stock market and US stock market with as low as 1,000 naira and $10 respectively. Now, I have a lot of videos that can help you with how to use the Trove Investment app. I have a lot of videos like that on my channel. I'll put the link to the playlist in the description of this video. And also, I don't want to go deep into the stock market or how to invest in the stock market so as not to make this video too long or too boring. So I have a lot of videos that can help you with how to invest in the stock market, how to pick stocks, and how to make money from the stock market. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description of this video. But when you are invested in the stock market, you have the chance to make at least 20% to 50% profit on your money every year. You even have the chance to even make more than that in the stock market. But investing in the stock market is a very good way of building wealth for yourself in the future. Now, if you are getting something from this video, make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The fourth investment that you can do for 2022 is to invest in ETFs. Now, ETFs are exchange traded funds. Now, an ETF is a fund that gives you access to a group of investments or a group of stocks that you can invest in. Now, an ETF is just like a basket where that has different investments or different stocks in it. So when you're investing in that basket or in that ETF, it means that you are investing in all the investments or all the stocks in that ETF, in that basket. Now, there are different types of ETFs that you can invest in, but the ones I'm investing in are VOO ETF and VGT ETF. Now, the VOO ETF contains the top 500 companies in US, while the VGT ETF contains the top growth stocks in the technology category in US. So it means that if you are investing in the VOO ETF, you are investing in the top 500 companies in the US, while if you are investing in VGT ETF, you are investing in the top growth stocks in the technology category in US. Now, I'm going to be using the VOO ETF for example. So let's say you have $1,000 that you want to invest. You have $1,000 you want to invest in 2022. Now, if you invest that $1,000 into a single stock, let's say Netflix stock. Now, if Netflix does well in 2022, you are going to make money, and if they don't do well, you are going to lose money, which means that $1,000 is depending on just one single stock, the Netflix stock. But when you invest that $1,000 into the VOO ETF, it means you are investing into the top 500 companies in the United States, which means that you have different investments that can make you money. That means your money is not depending on just one investment. They are depending on the top 500 companies in the United States. So that means you have the ability to diversify your investment and even make more money from the stock market. So I hope you understand what ETFs are. So investing in ETFs is also a very good investment that you can make in 2022. And you can also invest in ETFs on the Trove Investment app. So when you go to the All Assets section on the app, you see ETFs, different ETFs that you can invest in, and you can invest in any one of your choice. The fifth investment that you can make in 2022 is to invest in cryptocurrencies. Now, if you are watching this video and you've not started investing in cryptocurrencies, you should start now. Now, we've had a lot of stories of people investing in cryptocurrencies and getting rich, and we've also had stories of people getting poor or losing their money because they invested in cryptocurrencies. Now, a lot of people lose money into crypto because of greediness. A lot of people lose money because of greediness. Now, a lot of people are just waiting to hear that, oh, a coin has made 300% profit or 500% profit, and then they put their money into it, and then the coin goes down, and then they lose almost all of their money. You know, that is why it's good to do your own research when you are investing in a crypto. Before you invest in a crypto or buy any kind of cryptocurrency, you should know what you are investing in. You should know the use cases of that cryptocurrencies. And if you're the kind of person who is lazy to do your own research, I will advise that you invest in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Those are the cryptocurrencies that have enough use cases and are guaranteed to make you a decent amount of money in 1 year. So if you are lazy to do your own research, you can invest in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Now, another thing is that you don't need a lot of money to invest in cryptocurrencies. You can invest in crypto with little amounts of money every month or every week or anyhow you want to do it. So you don't even need a lot of money to invest in cryptocurrencies in order to make money. And if you are new to crypto and you want to start investing, I will advise that you get the knowledge, the right knowledge to invest in crypto. You can start with free YouTube videos. There are a lot of YouTube videos that can teach you how to invest in cryptocurrencies as a beginner. I also have a free course, because it's free, that can teach you the basics and rudiments of cryptocurrencies and investing in cryptocurrencies as a beginner. I'll put the link to that course in the description of this video. So these are the top 5 investments that you can make for 2022. Number 1, I said invest in real estate investment trust. Number 2, I said invest in the high interest savings account. You can use Piggyvest, Cowrywise, or OPay. The links are in the description. Number 3, you can invest in stock with the Trop investment app. And number 4, you can invest in ETFs. And number 5, you can invest in cryptocurrencies. I have a lot of videos about cryptocurrencies and investing in crypto. I'll put the link in the description of this video too. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.